And here are the two Cardinals and the Downy Woodpecker. They're all back again. Certainly glad to see them. It is going to be even colder tomorrow, if you can believe it. It is right now, current temperature at almost noon is minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit. That is without wind chill. Wind chill, it is 27 below. Tomorrow, it may not even make it to 0 for an actual temperature. So, doing my part to keep these little guys going throughout the winter. I love how the Cardinals just kind of look like those little toy plastic birds that go down into the little water thing. You know what I'm talking about? How they kind of just, whole body just bloop, goes down in to grab what they need.